Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on a browser. First, it's important to understand that Fall Guys is not natively playable in a web browser. It's a dedicated game for consoles and PC. However, you can still enjoy the game through cloud gaming platforms. These services stream the game to your browser, allowing you to play without a direct download. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, for the best experience. To play Fall Guys via your browser, you'll need to use a cloud gaming service. Boosteroid and Cloud Deck are great options, letting you stream your existing PC games. PlayStation Cloud Gaming also offers Fall Guys, but only when streamed to a PlayStation 5 console. Remember, these platforms typically require a monthly subscription fee, usually around $10 to $15, to access their full features and game streaming capabilities. Once you've selected a cloud gaming service, the setup is straightforward. First, sign up for an account and activate your subscription. Next, verify your internet connection. Most services recommend at least 25 to 30 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Finally, connect a compatible game controller to your computer. While some services offer keyboard and mouse support, a controller provides the most authentic Fall Guys experience, making those tricky rounds much easier to navigate. When playing Fall Guys through your browser, a few tips can enhance your experience. Close unnecessary browser tabs and applications to free up bandwidth. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable stream. You might also adjust the in-game graphic settings to a lower quality to reduce latency. While cloud gaming is fantastic, be mindful of potential input lag, which can sometimes make precise jumps or dives a bit challenging. Enjoy your time in the Blunderdome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.